So good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read out chapter 2, that is Shapes Around Us, from the Joyful Mathematics of class 2. Let us start. Shapes around us.
Shapes around us.
Garba festival.
Garba festivals.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A. Look at the picture
Look at the picture
and observe different musical instruments.
and observe different musical instruments.
1.
1.
Circle the musical instruments
Circle the musical instruments
that are similar in shape
that are similar in shape
to a drum.
to a drum.
2.
2.
Tick the musical instruments
Take the musical instruments
that are similar in shape
that are similar in shape
to a matka.
to a matka.
Tick the shape
Take the shape
similar to the shape of a
similar to the shape of a
sehnai.
Shehnai.
4.
4.
How is the shape of harmonium
How is the shape of harmonium
different from the shape of a drum?
different from the shape of a drum?
B.
B.
Have you seen
Have you seen
or played
or played
any of the musical instruments?
any of the musical instruments?
Share your experiences
Share your experiences
with your classmates.
with your classmates.
C.
C.
Cross the odd one out.
Cross the odd one out.
Initiate discussions
Initiate discussion
about the similarities
about the similarities
in the shape
in the shape
of various musical instruments
of various musical instruments
and talk about locally
and talk about locally
available instruments
available instruments
and the way they are played.
and the way they are played.
For example,
For example,
drum and tabla
drum and tabla
are played by beating them,
are played by beating them,
whereas
whereas
guitar and sitar
guitar and sitar
are played using their strings,
are played using their strings,
and shehnai,
and shehnai,
flute,
flute,
etc.
etc.
are played by blowing air into them.
are played by blowing air into them.
Match the musical instruments
Match the musical instruments
and objects with their solid shapes.
and objects with their solid shapes.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
Hina and Atif.
Hina and Atif.
I want to decorate this gift box
I want to decorate this gift box
for my friend's birthday.
for my friend's birthday.
I have got ribbons,
I have got ribbons,
stars and pom-pom balls.
stars and pom-pom balls.
Let us decorate this.
Let us decorate this.
We will place one star
We will place one star
on each face of the box.
on each face of the box.
Wow,
Wow,
it looks nice.
it looks nice.
Let me count how many stars
Let me count how many stars
we need.
we need.
It has 6 faces,
It has 6 faces,
so we need 6 stars.
so we need 6 stars.
It looks really nice.
It looks really nice.
Let me put ribbons
Let me put ribbons
on its sides.
on its sides.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
then
we need 12 ribbons
we need 12 ribbons
for each side
for each side
or edge.
or edge.
Some will be short
Some will be short
and some will be long.
and some will be long.
Let the children
Let the children
experience the surfaces,
experience the surfaces,
edges,
edges,
and corners of solid objects
and corners of solid objects
like chalk box,
like chalk box,
duster,
duster,
chalk,
chalk,
etc.
etc.
Can we put these balls
Can we put these balls
on the corners?
on the corners?
These colorful balls
These colorful balls
are looking good
are looking good
on all the 8 corners.
on all the 8 corners.
Let us do.
Let us do.
If you also have to decorate the following shapes
If you also have to decorate the following shapes
in the same way with stars,
in the same way with stars,
ribbon stripes,
ribbon stripes,
and pom-pom balls,
and pom-pom balls,
how many of these items
how many of these items
will you need?
will you need?
Object,
Object,
number of stars
number of stars
for the faces,
for the faces,
number of ribbon strips
number of ribbon strips
for the edges
for the edges
or sides,
or sides,
number of pom-pom balls
number of pom-pom balls
for the corners.
for the corners.
Let us think.
Let us think.
Look at the objects
Look at the objects
and fill the table.
and fill the table.
Object.
Object.
I look like a
I look like a
cube,
cube,
cuboid,
cuboid,
cone,
cone,
cylinder.
cylinder,
Faces,
faces,
edges,
edges,
corners.
corners,
Sphere,
sphere,
cuboid,
cuboid,
cone,
cone,
cylinder.
cylinder.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Touch and tell.
Touch and tell.
Who am I?
Who am I?
Collect different objects
Collect different objects
with variation in faces,
with variation in faces,
corners and edges.
corners and edges.
Blindfold the child
Blindfold the child
and ask them to pick an object
and ask them to pick an object
as per the details
as per the details
given by other children.
given by other children.
For example,
For example,
a child may be asked
a child may be asked
to take out an object
to take out an object
with one corner.
with one corner.
Similarly,
Similarly,
continue with other objects.
continue with other objects.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Name the objects
Name the objects
which have
which have
no corners,
no corners,
one corner,
one corner,
three corners,
three corners,
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 three corners,
three corners,
blank corners.
blank corners.
Project work.
Project work.
Take a cardboard sheet
Take a cardboard sheet
and try to make an object
and try to make an object
with four faces.
with four faces.
Now,
Now,
try to make an object
try to make an object
with one face.
with one face.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to discuss and find out
to discuss and find out
the objects which have one,
the objects which have one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
or no corners.
or no corners.
They may make such objects
They may make such objects
using clay or dough.
using clay or dough.